Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Have you been searching for a kitchen gadget that can simplify your cooking, save you time, and add some versatility to your meal prep? Well, this could be the one for you. I haven't used it myself yet, but I've done my research and I'm excited to share everything I've learned. Let's get started. First up, why is this appliance so versatile? With 9-in-1 functionality, it combines 9 different cooking methods into one device. You can use it as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. If you're like me and enjoy experimenting in the kitchen, this could replace a lot of other gadgets, saving you counter space and cleanup time. Another impressive feature is the improved stress-free venting. The steam release switch is intuitive and easy to use, resetting automatically when you close the lid. No more worrying about accidentally releasing steam. Such a relief, right? The Instant Pot Duo Plus also has a real-time display with a progress bar, so you'll know exactly what stage of cooking you're in. No more guesswork. Speaking of that, there are 15 one-touch smart programs. You just press a button and it takes care of the rest, whether you're making soup, yogurt, or even dessert. Perfect for those busy days. Now, let's talk design. The inner pot is food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, ensuring even heat distribution. It's also anti-spin, so it stays stable while you're stirring. Durable and dependable. What more could you ask for? The outside is fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, which keeps it looking sleek and clean. And cleanup is easy since the inner pot, lid, and accessories are all dishwasher safe. I mean, who has time for scrubbing? When it comes to safety, the Instant Pot Duo Plus has over 10 built-in features, including overheat protection and a locking lid. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these safety measures offer peace of mind. It's got a 6-quart capacity, so it's perfect for families or meal prepping. Cooking for up to 6 people? No problem. And there's the Instant Brands Connect app. With over 800 recipes, it's like having a digital cookbook on your phone. Stuck in a cooking rut? Open the app and get inspired. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a winner in my book. With a 4.7 out of 5-star rating and being a top seller, it's clear customers love it. So, if you're looking to simplify your cooking and save time, give it a try. It just might be the kitchen gadget you've been waiting for.
Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell icon, to stay updated with our latest videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Check out the description to find the product link.